No need for skincare in your 20s and 30s. Deal it with when the problems show up.
Nothing like that. I think you should start skincare right from the time you are a teenager. It goes by using moisturizers and sunscreen. You can give them basic products. Teenagers go through a lot of acne. To take care of that, you should use the right kind of face wash so the oil content is removed. So
Exactly.
I think skincare should start from the time you hit your puberty.
Cosmetic procedures always look fake and obvious. People will immediately notice.
Anything that you overdo and you don't use the right products and the right treatments, it will definitely be shown. Cosmetic treatments should be done in such a way that nobody can make out what you have done, but it'll make you feel good in the long run. And the age changes when you do little treatments. That makes a lot of result rather than doing everything together at one go.
A good brightening cream is enough. No need to visit a clinic for pigmentation.
Not really. How does creams work? Creams, it only works on the superficial layer of your face or your skin.
Yeah.
But when you go for treatment, they help you to treat it from inside out at a cellular level. So when that happens, you get a dual result. You're treating it superficially with creams, but you're also treating it internally with lasers and peels and other stuffs that will help to suppress the pigmentation. So you're treating the cause as well, so that you don't get it back again. Otherwise, when you stop these creams, the pigmentation comes back.
ஓகே நிறைய ஸ்கின் கேர் க்ரீம்ஸோட ஆட்ஸ்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அது செல்லுக்குள்ளே போய் இதில் அந்த பிக்மெண்டேஷனை க்யூர் பண்ணி அந்த மாதிரி அவங்க வந்து விஷுவலைசேஷன் வச்சுருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அது ஆக்சுவலி நீங்கள் சொல்கிற மாதிரி இன்டர்னலாக ட்ரீட் பண்ணுறது தான் அந்த மாதிரி ரிசல்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குமா இல்லை அந்த க்ரீம்ஸே அப்படி ஒர்க் பண்ணுமா?
Creams will work only to a particular level of penetration only it can go through. But when you use a microneedle and put the product will go deeper. When you do a treatment in the cellular level, it will go even more deeper. When you give it internally, it will act from inside out. So you have to treat it both ways, from outside in and inside out.
Teeth and jaw problems have nothing to do with your skin or face aging.
Yeah. So now what happens is, as you age, you lose collagen, your skin becomes saggy, and skin stonga ஆரம்பிச்சிடுவாங்க. But apart from that, your jaw is also resorbing. நம்ம bone resorption நடந்துட்டே இருக்கும், கரைஞ்சிட்டு தான் இருக்கும். So what is happening? You're losing volume in your bones. Bone density குறைஞ்சிட்டு தான் இருக்கு. So facial height will reduce. அதனால தான் when you are younger, you have a V face, like an inverted V face. But with age and time, you become more heavier on the lower side of your face. So when you have to correct it, you have to correct the bone, you have to correct the fat, you have to correct the skin, you have to correct the collagen. எல்லாமே ஒரு overall correction பண்ணும்போது overall உங்களோட ஃபேஸ்னை rejuvenate பண்ணும்.
Botox and fillers will freeze your face and kill your expressions.
Not really. Botox is just to relax your wrinkles. You should never overdo anything. It should have a perfect balance. Just enough just to relax your muscles so that the skin gets relaxed and the wrinkles are not seen. That is the use of Botox. Filler enna it is to add volume, and you want to contour the face or you want to lift the face, you can add the volume back. So that's how the skin looks glowing and nice. So when you do enough, you look good. So whenever you use these kind of products, it shouldn't look as if you've done something. It should look naturally good.
Okay. How can we identify how much is enough?
That your doctor will do it for you. You should go to an expert who knows how to use its one skill, expertise, and they have to be very artistic when it comes to your face. Because your face is your identity. You cannot spoil it. You cannot overdo anything. It should have a fine balance.